Hi viewers, welcome to Heal Your Soul. Thank you for watching. So today's topic is, are they cheating on you? It will be love relationship or any kind of situationship where you are wondering whether other person is loyal to you or not. Take the messages only if it resonates with you. Don't try to force them to match with your situation. Okay? So it's a pick a card reading. You need to choose one card, whichever you are drawn towards. If you want to watch for multiple people, you can watch multiple piles. You can choose multiple piles. Okay? So let's get into the reading. Pile number 1, who chose yellow pile? Are they cheating on you? So pile number 1. Here I cannot say that they are cheating on you because it's a new beginning. It's a card of new passionate beginning in their life. They had some kind of new beginning. Actually, the new beginnings always starts with endings. So here, that is the reason why I don't want to say it as a cheating, because I think they ended the relationship with you. They are no more with you, or they are not dealing with multiple people here. If someone is dealing with multiple partners, then we can say it as a cheating. But here, this person is in a relationship which is very passionate, which is newly started, very romantic. It is freshly started relationship, and this person is not dealing with anyone. They are dealing with only single person. They have only one partner, and they are very passionate towards them. They have romantic feelings towards them, whomever they are dealing. So here, this person is not cheating with you. If at all you are choose pile number 1, this person is not cheating with you. They already ended the relationship with you and they started other relationship, I can say. Or in their life, some new beginning has happened where they got this new beginnings in their love life. They got some new partner, new relationship where they are very much happy, content, satisfied, and it is like they are very much fulfilled. They are completely fulfilled. They are not feeling like anything is missing. And moreover, here they are completely focused on the same person, only one person. There is no multiple people, multiple partners. So here I can say that this person is not cheating on you. They are already ended the relationship. You may be ended because new beginnings always happen when you end something. Without ending, there won't be any new beginnings. And here I am not even sensing double energies, multiple energies. Here only single energy is there. Whomever they are with, or wherever they started the new beginning in relationship wise, they are very much happy. They are very much satisfied. It is, for them, it is like wish fulfillment kind of thing, or maybe they are waiting for this kind of beginning in their life, or they are waiting for this kind of relationship in their life from very long. Finally they got it. It is completely a new relationship which is very much bright, happy, content in all the ways, not just in passionate way. They are completely satisfied in that relationship with whomever they are. So pile number 1, whoever choose yellow file, if you think that, if you hold feelings for this person, still if you think that you are in love with this person I think this card will help you to move on, because this person is not into you. Firstly, they ended something, whether you understood or not, or they, I think it is already completely ended. That is the reason here it is like rising the sun. Everything is new here, nothing is old. Even if they are not ended, and if they started something new also, there should be some past strings will be there. But here everything is new in this card. Nothing is old. I think you need to understand the situation. No matter whom you are dealing with, they don't have any kind of connections with you or with anyone. They are dealing with only single person, and that they are completely into them. And everything is new in this relationship. Whatever they started, whomever they are dealing with, in that everything is new. There is nothing is from the past, and nothing is attached to any kind of past related issues or wounds. There is nothing left. There is no past. It is, everything is fresh, everything is new. So pile number 1, whoever you choose this card, you need to understand that. I don't know for whom you are looking for. If they are your ex and you are still thinking that they are into you, it is a high time to understand that they are not into you. They already moved on. They already moved on, and they already started. Some new beginnings has happened in their life, and they are very much happy with that new beginnings. So you need to understand that. And they are very much happy, and whatever is happening, I think it is this kind of relationship, maybe from very long they are waiting for this kind of relationship. Finally they got it. So here one more thing I can say. If you are looking for the person whom you are dealing currently, I don't think this message is for you. You need to choose other pile, because this person is completely with single person, and everything is new here. This is newly started relationship. Now you need to understand, if it is past person, if you are looking for the person whom you are dealing with from very long, and or if they are your past, because of any reasons you are in any kind of breakup situation, this person already moved on. They are not into you. They already started their new beginnings in their life. New life. If at all you started something new with new person, and you are having any kind of doubts about that new relationship, if anything new beginnings happened in your life, this person is new person, you are looking for the very new person, then this messages you can take it for you. This person is completely into you. They are not cheating. If you are looking for new person, if they are old person or past person, or if the person who is dealing with long time, this is not for you, because this person in their life, this romantic relationship just started. It is very fresh relationship. It is not old relationship or very it is, I think it is a new person. not even old people. This person is not even dealing with their exes or past people. It is completely new person, new people, new person, whoever they are dealing with. They are new person, new beginnings. Here everything is new actually. That is the reason I am telling you. But I think you are looking for someone. Here I am sensing whomever you are looking for, they may be already moved on. Here everything is new. So take the messages as it resonates. As I said, don't force them to suit with your situation. Okay, it is a completely new people, completely new relationship. There is no sense of oldness or sense of past things. So let's move on to pile number 2. Who chose red pile? So red pile. Are they cheating on you? So pile number 2. I don't know whom you are dealing with, but the thing is, this person is a creator. They need to create the things. So when it comes to this situation, whatever situation you are asking for, I can't say whether it is a cheating or not, but this person need to move forward. No matter what comes, whether it is a bad things, good things, they need to move forward. They cannot go back. It is a wheel of fortune. They need to move forward. And this person holds that power to turn that wheel. That is why I said they are the creator. Whatever they want in their life, they will create. They have that power. And they cannot stop that. They need to move forward. So here, when you are asking for that, whether they are cheating on you, I think here I can say that they are cheating or not. They are not cheating, because here I am not sensing any partnership kind of things. Because as I said, it is a wheel. It is like 24/7. They will be on move. They cannot wait for anyone. No matter who they may be. They cannot wait for anyone. They cannot waste their time for anyone. It is like some responsibility for them to do that. See, time won't stop for anyone. When this person have that ability, so for this person need to work like that. They cannot stop. So here I cannot say this person, it is not like cheating. The simple thing is you need to catch up with this person. If you want to be with this person, you need to be catch up with this person. You cannot stuck somewhere and tell that to wait that person, because this person cannot do that, because they have so many responsibilities and they need to do that. They need to fulfill those responsibilities, not just in the 3D. This kind of people have so many responsibilities in 5D. That is the reason why universe give them this wheel of fortune in their hands. The universe gave them chance to rotate this wheel. Very few people will have this kind of blessing or power, and this person is holding that power. So if you are thinking or feeling that when they are not giving time, or when they are very busy, if you are feeling that they are cheating on you or they are spending time with others, you are completely wrong. Don't even think about that, because this person is always busy with one thing or other thing. Moreover, they won't get much time for all these things, love, relationship. They may be having families. It doesn't mean that they won't have families. They will give separate time for family also. But you cannot expect them to be in love or relationship for 24/7. They cannot do that. They will divide their time according to their tasks. If, for example, if they set the timing as every morning 6 o'clock, they will set the time for one task. If you are asking for them to give that whatever the time 6 o'clock, they have some task, and if you are asking for them to spend the time for that love and relationship, it will take time for them to adjust the wheel, adjust that schedule. They cannot give you immediately. They need to adjust the timing. That's what I am telling. They need the 24 hours will be divided in different time tasks. So if you are expecting them to be with you or in touch with you for 24/7, it is very impossible for this person. They cannot do that. It is like they need to sacrifice this will. If they sacrifice this will, because this is a responsibility, they can. If it is like someone is having high authoritative job position where they need to complete some tasks time to time without fail. So if their family demanding their time of work time, then they need to sacrifice that position, or they need to sacrifice their family. It will be like that. Because of that, here this person is having one benefit is this wheel is in their hands, so they can set whatever time they want. They divide the timings so they can reschedule. Here it is not that they completely need to sacrifice it, because wheel is in their hand, wheel is not in others hand. So here they can reschedule the things, but it will take time, and you should understand that. Whoever dealing with them, they should understand this, because there are so many things. So pile number 2, I don't know whom you are dealing with. This person is a creator, whether you know it or not. They have so many things to deal with, so you need to understand that. As per the reading, they are not cheating on you. Actually, they won't get time to cheat on anyone. That is the problem with this. That is the thing with this person, okay? Because they won't be having time for all those things, for cheating, drama, those unnecessary things. They won't be having time for that, because they will be having very tight schedule. The whole day will be divided with different tasks. If the person is free, person is having time, then only they can do all these dramas, cheating, maintaining multiple partners. But this person is out of all those things. This person is completely different. It is not that they are working for 8 hours, so that next 16 hours they will be free, so that 16 hours they will be do something. It is not like that. 24/7, they will be having some or other things. It is completely responsibilities, duties, which they need to do that. So here you don't need to worry, they are not cheating on you. Okay? If you are in their life, definitely there is some particular time they already divided for you. They may be already divided for you. So in that timing only you can get them. You don't expect other timings. If you expect other timings, they need to reschedule it. It is like that. It will work like that with this person. Especially with this person, it will work in that way. You cannot expect, because this person is different, not like other people. Even they want to go out with friends, even they want to spend time with their family also, they will be already rescheduled. They will be scheduled those timings on at what time, on what day. They will schedule everything before it. That time only they can spend. they can give that to their family or friends going out, at least for themselves also. I think for them also they will set some time, and that time only they can give that time to themselves, because or else next time they will be busy with other tasks. So here there is a no. If you know that this person is a very busy person, you won't come to this reading, because busy persons won't be having time for whether they are cheating or not. Anyway, if you don't know, understand that this person is a very busy person. They won't be having time to cheating and all those things. If they are in relationship with you, think it's a very great thing, because they are giving time to relationship also. Okay, they may be definitely having time for you, because they will schedule everything. It is not that something they will leave something behind. They can handle everything. They will have that ability. That's why they are different from others. So even though till now, if you don't know this, don't treat them as a other people. They are understand that when you came to this reading, this person is completely different from others. So don't expect something like you expect from normal people, because this person, they will give you whatever expect. They may give you more than that, but the thing is they will have time period for that. They will set some time, that time you will get it. So everything will be scheduled in this person's life, timetable. They will maintain some schedule, timetable. Based on the timetable, everything happen in their life. They won't disappoint anyone. Moreover, they will move forward only. So it is wheel of fortune. They are very fortunate person. That is also the reason why they can handle everything, even though they are very much busy. So pile number 2, there is a no question of asking whether they are cheating or not, because this person is very busy. They don't have time to, they won't be having time to dealing with all those things. If you are in their life, feel happy and lucky, because they have wheel of fortune. They will keep whoever presented in their life, all those people are fortunate, not just them. Whoever in their life, all those people are fortunate. So if you are in their life, you are also fortunate person. So don't lose this kind of people, because very rarely we get such kind of people. Don't lose this kind of person. And if you at all you have doubts that cheating because they are not giving much time, don't think in that way. The thing is, they are busy with their own busy schedule. Because it is necessary for them to handle everything. So you need to understand that. You should be more understanding to be with this person. So let's move on to pile number 3, which is green pile. Are they cheating on you? So pile number 3, this person is not cheating on you, but the thing is they are walking away from you. They are not in that relationship. If you think that you are still in this relationship, still something is alive in this relationship, nothing is left. If you think that there is something left in your relationship or situationship, there is nothing left. This person is already walking away or already walked away. They are no more in this relationship. So it is not that cheating, because this person I think this relation is, whatever relation or situationship you are in, this is not serving you both. Whoever involved in this, it is not serving you. But the thing is here, one person is understood that another person is don't want to understand, that they are not ready to accept the reality. Here one person need to accept the reality, or they need some reality check. Because here I think this whatever bond you may be having, whether it is a long-term commitment as a marriage, or it is a love relationship, or some kind of understanding, friends with benefits, or any kind of bond or situation it may be. The thing is here, this situation is not serving the people who were involved in it. And one person understood that, and that person is walking away. Because they finally came to know that it is not serving anyone, and it is nothing will come out of this situation. So finally they understood that, they accept the reality, and they are walking away. They are moving forward in their journey, so that they can continue their journey. But here another person is not accepting that. I think if you are watching this reading, pen number 3, you came here and watching this reading whether they are cheating, I think you are the one who need to understand that. Because this person already understand. If you are the person who is already moved on and you are just simply, I don't think so. Because if you are the person who already moved on, you don't think about that person whether they are cheating on you or not. Because there is nothing is left in this relationship. How come it will, if they are dealing with someone else, so it will be new for them. There is no question of cheating you, because you already walked away from this relationship. So I think here someone is already walked away. You are the person who is not understanding this. Whoever watching pen number 3, you need to understand the situation. This situation, whatever situation you are dealing with, it is not serving you and that person, whoever involved in that. Because 8 of Cups means walking away from the things which are not serving you. No matter how long you want to sit in this situation and try to bring something in it, it won't come. You won't get anything out of this situation. That is the card it is. You need to simply walk away from the situation or the relationship. I think whoever walking away, I think that person is walking away. Whoever you are watching, they are cheating on you, I cannot say, but the thing is here, they are not in this relationship, they already walked away. Or it is, I am simply getting message that they already walked away. And they are listening to their intuition. Their intuition is guiding them. They are simply following whatever their intuition is telling them. I can say that they are in some kind of spiritual journey. They are completely listening to their intuition. They are not listening to anyone. So wherever their intuition is taking, they are moving. That's why I said it is a spiritual journey. They are in some kind of spiritual journey, because in this situation they understood that whatever situation you may be, they understood that it is not serving anyone, not just them. It is not like it is simply it is not serving them and it is serving you. Actually the thing is, 8 of Cups means nothing will come out of this situation for anyone. It is completely a situation where you need to understand and move on. But here this person did it, you are not doing it. That's why you are still thinking about them, and you came to this reading to find out whether they are cheating on you. Forget about this person and forget about whatever the situation it is, because you need to understand the reality. You need to see, I think here you want to force the things, because it happens usually when we come into this kind of situation where we need to leave the situation, we won't accept it. That's why I said we need to accept the reality. But when we don't accept the reality, we want to force the things. Here you need to do one thing. You need to sit with yourself and ask yourself, is this person is really good for you? Are you really happy in this situation or with this person? Are this situation is really serving you? How long you may be in this situation? Ask yourself all these questions. Take time, sit with yourself and ask. why you want to be in this situation. Is that truly you are feeling something from within inside? Is your intuition is guiding to stay in this situation, or simply because of your ego you want to stay in this relationship or situation, which is not serving? Everyone knows that. Whoever involved in this, they know that it is not serving. But still, someone understood and they are walking away. But someone is not understanding. I think you are the one that not understanding. And that's the reason why you came and watching that, whether they are cheating on you. That is the reason I am telling. Sit with you and ask these questions. Why you want to be in this situation where you are not getting anything? Because this situation is such kind of situation where not just you, whoever involved, they won't get anything. Then what is the meaning of being in this kind of situation? We are human beings. We can move. We are not tree that we are sitting at one place and wasting our time, years and years. We can move. If you move forward, you will find some new journeys, new people, new friendships, new relationships. Our life is a process. It is a journey. We need to complete it. We cannot stuck in one place or one situation where it is not serving. Here you need to understand that. You need to move on. 8 of Cups means walking away because it is not serving you. Because once you walk away, you will see all new things for you, whether it is the friendships, relationships, even though if it is a work relationship, work profession, you will see everything will be new in your life. Once you come out of this situation, if you stuck in this situation, nothing will come out of it. No matter how long you will waste your time. Even though if you become 100 years, you won't get anything. You will be in the same place. So you need to understand, you need to question yourself. Point number 3, if you are the person who is not walking away, see, here I don't know whether you are the one who is walking away or the person who is involved in this, they are walking away. You know well, based on these messages, okay? So if you are the one who is not ready to walk away, not ready to end this situation, not ready to move on from this situation, then it is a very high time for you to sit with yourself and ask the questions, whatever I said. Is this really helping you? Is this situation really helping you? Are you really getting out of this situation anything? And ask yourself from how long you are in this situation and what you achieved in this situation. Is it really worthy to waste your time? You need to ask all those questions. You should be honest with yourself. You don't need to be honest with anyone. You should be honest with, because simply see, this person is walking away. So they finally understood that. They have started to listening their intuition guiding them. They are moving forward. If you are stuck in this situation, no one will lose anything. You are the person who is going to lose your life, your time, your precious time. You deserve love. You see, everyone deserves love, happiness. The life is there for that. If you are stuck in the same position, if it is not serving you, you are the one who is stopping your blessings. Why you are doing that? Move forward. Come out of this situation. You will find your blessings. Why you don't want to move forward and have your blessings, whatever universe want to give you? This person understood that. He simply found, see how simply he is just, this intuition is guiding them and he is just blindly following his intuition. This person not even thinking about anything. They are not even looking back. They are just moving forward by guidance of their intuition. So I think here you need that reality check. It is not about cheating on you or not. If you think that this person is walking away so that you are thinking that this person is cheating on you. That is your mistake, because whatever it is not serving anyone. It won't serve you also. So it is high time for you to understand all those things, accept the reality and move on from this situation. There is a beautiful life in front of you. Not just you, whoever involved in this situation. If you go out, see, if you close yourself in a house and sit in that house and you are thinking, dreaming, fantasizing all beautiful things, what will come out of that situation? Nothing. Even though if you dream for, fantasize for 20 years, 30 years, 40 years, for your whole life, if you are just sitting in that four walls and not coming out, not ready to come out, you won't get anything. It will be stay as a dreams, fantasies only. That four walls won't serve you. You need to move out. You need to come out of that closed doors. You need to come out of that closed room. Then whatever dreams, fantasies, whatever you have, desires, goals, you can achieve all those things. So here I think you are sitting in this situation and dreaming a lot of things. You won't get anything. You need to move forward. You need to come out of this situation. So here it is nothing, there is no question of cheating, because this person is simply walking away, which is not serving them. Even it is not serving you, you need to understand that it is high time for you to walk away from this situation. You will find better people, better life, better job, everything. So let's move on to pile number 4. Who choose white pile? Are they cheating on you? So pile number 4, this person is not cheating on you, but the thing is, this person is fearing of losing their independence. They are a very independent person. They love to be independent and they love to enjoy their own company. Here I think they are not giving much time to you because they have some fears about different things, like losing their independence, becoming dependent on someone. So maybe because of that they are not giving much time to you, because they don't want to depend on anyone. This person nature is being independent. They don't want to depend on anyone, not for love, not for financial things, not for anything. This person is completely independent person. So here, if you think that they are cheating on you because they may be not giving much time to you, or they are not asking anything for you, so it is not that they are cheating on you, they are someone who is fulfilling all their needs. It is not like that. The simple thing is, they don't want to depend on anyone. Whatever they want, they will get it by their own. They are very much independent person. So here it is not that they are cheating on you. If you are with this person, if you are in a relationship with this person, they are very much happy. First thing, it is a 9 of Pentacles. They are very much satisfied. They are a very much independent person. But if they are not giving time to you, if they are not showing the required love or affection, or if they are not expecting anything to you, because of that you are thinking that they are not loving you, or they are interested in someone else, or they are having someone, it is all false. It is all, don't think in that way. You remove all those things, because basically this person is a very independent person. 9 of Pentacles is completely an independent person who is very much happy in their life and who is very content and who is capable of getting what they want in their life. They don't need anyone to fulfill their wishes. So because of that, maybe the thing is, this person don't want to be depend on anyone. Maybe you are the person who can fulfill all their wishes, but here the person whom you are dealing with is, they don't want to depend on anyone. That is also one reason why they won't expect anything from you. Maybe you dealt with the people who are always expected something from you. But here, when you are dealing with this person is not expecting anything from you, and moreover, they are not dependent on you. So because of that, you are getting different kind of doubts or thoughts that they may be not interested in you. No, it is wrong. Actually, this person know how to be happy. They know how to create their own happiness. They won't even disturb you. Because they are independent. They know how to create whatever they want. So this is the reason I think, either if you are feeling that they are not expecting anything from you and they are not dependent on you, or they are not asking anything from you, then the thing is, this person have everything. They don't want anything from anyone. Second thing, they have some fears, like losing their independence. That is also one reason why they won't give much time to others. And other fear is, if they ask something from you, or even though if you are ready to give, or you are in a position to fulfill all their wishes, they won't take, because they simply feel that if they take something from you, they will become dependent on you, which they don't like. This is the problem with this person. So pile number 1, whoever choose white pile, it is not that they are cheating on you. You are dealing with a person who is very independent. If you want anything, you can ask, they will fulfill it. They will give you, but don't think that they will come and ask you anything, because they know how to create whatever they want in their life, including their happiness. They don't even depend on anyone for that love also. So here, if you have doubt that they are cheating on you, you are completely wrong. This person is not cheating on you. They simply have little bit of fears, which is like depending on someone or losing their independence. That's it. Nothing more than that. Maybe because of that fears, they are not giving much time to you. Because when they spend much time with you, they feel like they are losing their independence, or they feel like they are depending on you, or they are getting addicted to you, habituated to you, not addiction. They will get habituated to you, where they will depend on you if it continues. So maybe that is also reasons, I think. That is a reason why they are not spending much time with you. So that is why you are thinking that they are cheating on you. It is not like that. Or if they are not expecting anything, not asking anything, it doesn't mean that they have someone and they are getting from them. It is not like that. They just don't want to depend on anyone. So even though they need something, they will get it what they want. They won't depend on you also. So you are dealing with a very, very, very independent person, who is not dependent on anyone, and who is very much happy with themselves, very much content with themselves. If you are in their life, they will give you that happiness, and they even teach you how to create your own happiness, and they will teach you how to be independent on your own without depend on others. So here you are dealing with a good person, because 9 of Pentacles is a very good card. But the thing is, here this person need to come out of some fears, like losing their independence, becoming dependent on someone, that they should come out of those fears. That you need to do that. How can you need to do that is, you need to offer your 1 of Pentacles, which will become 10 of Pentacles, where they feel completed. Your problems will be solved. So here, if you have doubt they are cheating on you, they are not cheating on you. If you think that they are not giving time to you, because of that you are getting different kind of issues in your relationship, and you are thinking that they are not dependent on you, they are not asking anything from you, they are not even, it is not bothering, it is like they are not expecting anything from you, then if you are the person who want to fulfill all their wishes, who want to take care of them, this person whom you love, you need to offer that One of Pentacles to them. That means one stable relationship, 10 of Pentacles, where this person will feel complete. Not just this person, you both will feel complete, and it will become a stable relationship where you won't be having any kind of issues. And moreover, you people will spend much time together, where whatever doubts you may be having, that will be clear. You won't get this kind of doubts like they are cheating on you or such kind of things. And moreover, if you become 10 of Pentacles, this person won't be this much particular about being independent and not depend on anyone. They are ready to give and take. They won't be having these fears. So pile number 4, I don't think they are cheating on you. They are simply independent person, very free, independent person, and who know how to get what they want. Very happy person. They even know how to create the happiness. So they are just waiting for that one pentacle, I can say, because after 9 of Pentacles we will be having 10 of Pentacles. If you are the person who is looking for long-term commitment, then after that 1 of Pentacles, you won't be having this kind of doubt. You won't be having whether they are cheating on you or not, whether they are into or not. You won't be having this kind of doubts, issues. So let's move on to pile number 5, who choose blue pile. Are they cheating on you? So pile number 5, actually the thing is, whatever relationship you have, they are not interested in this relationship. It is a marriage. 4 of Wands. I think it is a long-term commitment or marriage kind of things. You are watching for your partner, spouse. This person is not into this relationship anymore. Actually, they are not interested in this commitment or marriage. They don't want to be in this. Here I cannot say that whether they are cheating on you, but here I'm sensing little bit that they are not interested in this marriage, means there may be someone they are interested. And they want to end this relationship. You may be dealing with lot of conflicts with them. You may be having so many differences, misunderstandings. The thing is here, one partner wanting something, other is wanting some other thing. You both are not on the same page. You may be in the early stage of relationship, you may be both are on the same page. You may be appreciating your differences. But now the situation is no more in that way. Now you people are not ready to agree with each other. Maybe it is a very long-term relationship. It is not newly started. 4 of Wands means it is a very stable, committed relationship. So here the thing is, you both are not same. But the thing is, in the past you accepted those differences. Now you people are no more ready to accept the differences. Not just one person. Here both the people are not ready to accept those differences. Both the people are wanting something different. So here pile number 5, I don't think only they are cheating. I think you are also cheating on them. No matter in which way. It is not that you have some partner. It is simply maybe you are also not interested, but you are not telling them. Even you are not interested in this commitment or relationship, whatever you are having. Even you don't want to be in this, but you are not telling. This person may be telling, or you both are not telling to each other. That is the reason I am telling you both are cheating with each other. Here I cannot say only one person is cheating, because here both the people are involved. It is not one person, and it is a marriage, long-term commitment. So both the partners are cheating. each other. So you need to sit. See, it is not that if you are staying with someone from past 20 years, 30 years, so you need to continue that journey for your lifetime. It is completely depends on you. If both people are appreciating your differences, both people are understanding each other, then you can continue this journey. But if you are not doing that, it is very high time to sit with each other and sort out the things. What is what and what you want, what they want. If you can resolve the things, you can sit and resolve the things. If you think that there are some things which you cannot resolve those things, it is a good to part ways, because life is a process. It should be move on. Here you both know that, you both understood that you cannot be together. But the thing is, here you both are not ready to sit and talk. So here it is not that this person is cheating on you. It is like both partners are cheating with each other. Either you both are not telling your original feelings, you people are not expressing your original feelings with each other, original emotions with each other, or you both are having interest on some different partners, different people. You may be in the relationship or not, that's a different thing. It is not that, I'm not telling that you are with someone else, they are with someone else. You may be just having someone in your mind who you think that they are much suitable to you, and this person may be having someone else in their mind, they think that they are much suitable to them, but here you both are lying to each other. You both are not honest with each other, I can say. So if you are not honest with each other, if simply you are cheating with yourself, both are cheating with your feelings, and that expressive, or you need to express yourself. You both, not just one person. Here you both should sit and talk, and you people need to have some honest talk. Don't see, if you are in this relationship, it is a very long-term relationship, that means you are adults, and it is long-term means definitely you will be having that kind of bonding, at least as a friends, as a roommates, you may be having some kind of bonding, because you are staying in one home. Four of Wands is like a home. At least you will be having that roommate feeling, right? So you people need to sit and talk honestly with each other, completely honest, completely naked means not in a different sense, with your expressions, with your feelings. You should be honest completely. It is not that if you don't like something in them, and you are unable to adjust something which is in their character or in their actions, you should express it clearly. And if they have something which they don't want to accept in your character or personality, they need to express it clearly. You should be honest. That is what I said. You should have honest talk with each other. Here you both are lying with each other. You don't want to share your true feelings with each other. Even you both know that you are no more interested in this relationship. You know that you no more interested in this person. This person know that they are no more interested in you. But the thing is, you both are not telling to each other. It is also simply cheating. You both are cheating with yourself. That is why it is a reverse Wand, reverse Four of Wands. If you sit and talk honestly, there is a high chance that it will become upright. That means you will understand, because it is a long-term commitment. It is a long-term, means you both know each other very well. So you can sit and talk and try to sort out the things. If you both come to some middle ground, if you reach some middle ground, you can continue this relationship. If you lie to each other like this relationship won't go anywhere. Moreover, if there are any children that are involved in this, they will going to suffer, because when you are not happy, these partners are not happy, how can you give that happiness to the kids who are involved in this? It is very important for you both people to sit and talk, sit and have that honest communication. Because when I said sit and talk, it doesn't mean that you can talk whatever you want. You should have that honest communication, no matter whatever it may be. Even if you're watching pile number 5, if you have someone else in your mind and you don't want to stay with this person, sit with that person and tell that clearly that you are no more interested in this relationship and you want to move on in your life. You want to go or choose someone else. Even it is attraction also. You should honest with this person, and this person also should do the same thing. Then understand, try to sort out the things why you get attracted to other people when you both are sharing some beautiful bond from very long. You will get the answers. When you are sharing this kind of beautiful bond from very long, now suddenly what happened? Why it is not working? Why you got attracted to other people, not with each other? Then you will, when you question all these things, when you sit and communicate honestly, you will get the solutions for the problems. When you are not even ready to talk the problems, how can you get the solution? Here same thing is happening. You need to sit and talk with all the things, whatever is there. You will get the solution. Then there is a chance to save this relationship, save this commitment, if you both want to work on this. If you both don't want to work on it, then you can part away. You no need to be in this kind of situation, because 4 of Wands reverse means it is like dealing with conflicts, dealing with misunderstandings, having some kind of fights, staying in the same room but not talking to each other. There are so many things. So why you need to deal all these things? Why you are wasting your precious time? We are in this busy life, we are hardly getting time to spend with our family, happy time. Spend happy time with our family. Why you are wasting that little bit time? Sit with both the people, not just one people. Pile number 5, whoever you are. It is completely a marriage card. So if you are a single person, I don't think this message is for you. It is a completely a marriage or long-term commitment where 2 people are feeling like a wife and husband. 2 people are completely in that relationship. Those people only. These messages are resonate with those people only. Okay, if you are a single, go and choose other pile. This is not for you. It is completely 4 of Wands. So, and this marriage is ending. At the end of, there is a huge chance that this marriage is going to end. That is the reason I am telling. Sit and talk with each other. Have some honest communication, no matter how bad and how painful it may be. Have that communication. You both feel free and you both will find some solutions. If you think that you can work, you can work. If you think that it is not going to work out, then go part away and live your life happily. Even though if you have kids, you can co-parenting them. Nothing wrong in that. But being in this kind of situations, that kids will be affected more than you people. Their mental health will get most affected. That's why I am telling you. So, thank you for watching. For more readings, you can like and subscribe. For personal readings, you can mail me. You will find the details in the description box.